Hello everyone, this is our session number 2 of lesson number 2. In this session we are going to learn remaining features of internet. So we know that what is internet, and in last session we learned its different features. Okay, and last feature it was blog. We know what is blog. A blog is a space which is allocated by the internet to the user to share his or her ideas over the internet. Okay, and it can be used as a earning tool. Then this after our next feature, that is educational content. We know that internet is a virtual library. Why it is called virtual library? Because here information is available in form of text, audio, video, in form of image also, and that is totally free of cost. So any particular student can search information related to his study over the internet. Okay, which way is convenient for him, okay, or her. Then over the internet live classes can be arranged. Those live classes can be joined by the student by using ID and password, and sometimes these are free of cost, sometimes these are uh, paid classes. Okay, so to join these classes ID and plus password is allotted to the students. Okay, and by paying charges he can or she can attend online classes. Sometimes these classes are free of cost, and sometimes these are paid classes. Okay, some examples are there of websites through which user can learn about any particular topic, like Wikipedia, then Ultimate Knowledge. Okay, then Unacademy. Okay, so what these are some examples of what educational websites through which user can learn on whatever topic he wanted to learn. Okay, this after the next one, that is EFT, that is electronic fund transfer. It is interesting feature of the internet, through which you not need to go physically around in a bank or any money transfer unit, or you not need to go to the ATM to withdraw or to transfer the amount. Okay, that means using this you can withdraw the amount, you can take amount into your wallet, you can pay charges by using this feature, electronic fund transfer. That means you have to just log in to your account to pay or to withdraw the amount. Okay, some examples are there, that is Google Pay, then next one, that is BMAP, Paytm, PayUmoney. What these are some examples, or what these are the apps through which you can pay or you can withdraw the amount. Okay, you can purchase any particular product over the internet by using these features. Okay, this after the next one is boost entrepreneurship. Okay, boost entrepreneurship means what? Over the internet you can launch the business. That means it is a process, or entrepreneurship is a process of planning and launching a new business over the internet. And what is the benefit of this one? Directly you can communicate here with local, also with a global client. That means it will open a global market to your business. Okay, and directly global client can attach local also, and global client also can attach to your business. Okay, and it will help you to keep these people or those clients in loop. Okay, so some examples are there through which you can boost the your business, or you can boost your entrepreneurship. Okay, so what these are, first one is a Facebook. Over the Facebook also you can launch your, or you can boost your business, or you can plan, or you can launch new business. This after the next one is Instagram, YouTube. So what these are some examples of the website through which you can launch, you can plan a business. Okay, this after the next one is applications over the internet. Boost entrepreneurship. This after our next feature, that is applications. Okay, so applications or app, what these are? Actually these are computer programs which are specially designed to run smartphones, tablets, laptop or computer. Let's see some examples of applications. First one is Google Chrome. It is application for what a smartphone. This after the next one, Zoom application. Then this after Team Link. So whatever applications I'm telling, what these are totally based on or which are always connected to the internet, okay, or what these are the live applications, okay. That means due to what some technical limitations of the device, these applications or these apps can do almost anything. That means it can help you to handle what any remote situation, like if your vehicle is connected to your smartphone, okay, through which you can lock or unlock your water vehicle, okay. It is just example. Then you can organize or you can host what any live meeting, okay. If there is any if there is any critical condition, at this condition it is not possible to meet physically, it's not possible to arrange what any meeting or any class physically, then you can arrange what or you can host what live meetings with the help of these applications, okay. Over the internet, maximum applications are based or related or are live, okay. So it is about what the applications feature of what the internet. This after the next one is app stores. We know that what is app stores. App stores, it is a place from where we can download or from where we can install any application which we required, okay, or which is needed to fulfill what the need. So here we have some examples of what the play stores or app stores. These are Google Play Store, App Store iOS, Windows Store, Amazon App Store. These are some examples from where you can download and you can install what the app which is required, okay. After the different features of the internet, our next point is the computer ethics. So computer ethics are what? There are some rules which we have to follow while using the internet with the help of what? The computer or any device, okay, for personal use or for commercial use or for professional use, okay. And those ethics we are going to learn in this session. So let's see what is the first one. The first one is the IPR. IPR stands for the intellectual property rights, okay. And there are different types of IPR. The first one is a copyright, then trademark, design registration. These are some examples of what IPR. So let's see about IPR. IPR stands for intellectual property rights, okay. Actually it protects the rights of the inventor who invented what any particular work, okay, or invention, and to stop what stealing from someone. Simply it protects what the rights of that invention, okay. It is about what the intellectual property right. That means directly nobody can copy anyone's work if it is registered under IPR, if it is registered under intellectual property rights. That means only authorized person can make changes, can sell, can create its number of copies, but another person cannot copy what the rights of that invention, okay. So it is about what the intellectual property right, okay. Then the next one is a copyright, is a type of what a IPR, intellectual property right. Actually it gives what exclusive rights to the inventor or to the creator of that content to reproduce his or her work a number of time. That means he or she can create what a number of copies of his work or her work, okay. That means it gives what authority to create what a duplicate work, okay. No one can create a duplicate work, okay, instead of what the creator of that content, okay. That these rights are given to the creator of that content to produce, to reproduce what his or her work, okay. Like Dell has what rights to create what his own keyboards, okay, to reproduce keyboards, monitor, okay, mouse, understand. because they have what their design, they have what their creation, so they can. Similar about what the Microsoft also. Okay, so what these are some example. This after the next one is the software piracy. Now software piracy means what? When we use any particular software, okay, illegally, that means without activating or without any activation, when we crack that software and when we use it to a computer or to any computer or to any device, that is called what? A software piracy. It is totally illegal. That means we should not use what such illegal copies, okay, because that affects on what? The software developer. Okay, it affects on software developer because software developers spend much of time to develop that software, and when directly that software is used by any person without paying what charges, without any subscription, okay, it is called what? A software piracy, and it's totally illegal. Okay, and it is available over the internet, so directly users download those piracy or crack copies. Okay, directly they use it without paying charges for what? The developer who developed or team who developed that software. Okay, and it is totally illegal, and what we call that software piracy. Okay, here we have some examples of what the software piracy. CorelDRAW, then Word. Okay, understand, then Photoshop, Windows operating system. So many examples are there, okay, of what a software virus, and these are available over the internet, and directly users are downloading what these applications without paying any charges, without any subscription. Okay, and that is called what? A software piracy. That means when we use any software illegally, or when we use any software without any subscription, without any activation, that is called what? A software piracy. After the piracy, our next point is the privacy. Now let's see what is privacy. Actually, privacy is the security level of personal information which is stored in another computer, which is stored in what? Your computer. It will help you to stop stealing from others, but when somebody get what? The access of that computer, okay, then without knowing you, they can easily access whatever information you stored. It can be personal, or it can be related to your business. Okay, it can be what? A confidential also. Okay, and chances are there of leaking what? Data. Okay, but it's totally wrong. Okay, that means according to what the computer ethic, no one, or we should not check anyone's what? A personal information. Actually, it is what the adequate. Okay, and we must follow that if you are using what? A computer internet, but some users are simply violating what? This rule. Okay, and it's against of what? The law. Okay, so if you don't want to leak any information whatever you stored in your computer, then you must update what? The security level. You must upgrade the security level. Okay, and if you're visiting to any particular website, if there's internet connection to your computer, if you're visiting to any particular website regularly, you must check what? The privacy setting. Okay, understand, you must upgrade what? The privacy setting if you don't want to leak what information you store to your computer. Okay, so this after our next point is its activity that you have to solve, and enough for today. We'll see next point, cybercrime, in next session.